Tell me, Clara, what exactly do you bring to this marriage?
I'm trying.
Trying? You're a liability.
They got married and were so much in love, or so she thought, until Jude got a better job offer when everything changed. Clara and Jude both graduated from the same university where their love relationship began. Jude had graduated a year earlier than her and so was already working.
Clara was still trying to find her fit in the job market when Jude proposed marriage. And since Clara loved and wouldn't want to lose him, she accepted, hoping to also secure a job after marriage.
Alas, 2 years into their marriage, Clara could still not get a good job that matches her qualifications as a graduate of computer science. Jude changed completely towards her and started complaining about her joblessness.
Clara made up her mind to take up any available job just to make Jude at least respect her. Jude became more distant, staying out late, complaining about everything. The same woman he called useless had just got her first step into the tech world. Weeks later, Clara landed a job, a secretary role in a small tech company. Not glamorous, not impressive.
A secretary role, and Jude laughed when he heard.
But Clara saw what he couldn't. Access, growth, power. Access to developers, coding environments, real tech projects, AI automation tools. From Python scripts, app development frameworks, AI tools and automation systems, no one noticed. While Jude was busy upgrading his lifestyle, Clara was secretly upgrading her mind. She stayed late after work, watching, learning, absorbing. Every betrayal has a name, and hers was Vanessa. Jude didn't hide it anymore. Elegant, rich, influential, everything Clara was not. One evening, Clara saw them together, holding hands. Her heart shattered, but her face remained calm. That night, Jude said it. I want a divorce. No hesitation, no guilt. Vanessa understands my level, you don't. Clara signed the papers. No drama, no begging. I hope one day you understand what you lost. He thought he was upgrading his life, but he had just deleted his greatest asset. Divorce didn't break her. It unlocked her. He thought she lost everything. She lost the marriage, but found herself. Clara moved into a tiny apartment. No luxury, no support, just a laptop, internet, determination. She coded day and night. Learning, mobile app development, SaaS platforms, AI automation systems, business optimization tools. She built her first app. It failed. Second app failed again. But the third went viral in a niche market. Businesses started noticing. Emails started coming. Money started flowing. The woman Jude abandoned was becoming a name the tech world couldn't ignore. From a secretary to a tech founder no one saw coming. Clara launched her company. Quietly. No noise. No social media hype. But inside, she built AI automation systems for businesses, productivity SaaS tools, high-converting mobile apps. Her brand grew, clients multiplied, investors started calling. She didn't chase validation. She built value, and value attracted power. While Jude was planning a wedding, Clara was building an empire. Jude and Vanessa were getting married. Luxury venue, influential guests. Vanessa smirked. Let's invite Clara. I want her to see what she lost. Jude hesitated but agreed. They both believed one thing. Clara was still the same poor, broken woman. The invitation was sent. They invited her just to mock her. That was their biggest mistake. Clara looked at it, smiled softly, and said, I'll be there. They wanted to embarrass her, but they just invited their biggest regret. The room went silent the moment she walked in. The wedding was glamorous, champagne, diamonds, influence. Clara walked in, elegant, classy, powerful, not loud, but undeniable. People started whispering, is that Clara? Vanessa's smile faded slightly. Jude froze. Something felt different, but the real shock hadn't even begun. The same people Jude was trying to impress stood up for Clara. Suddenly, a group of elite guests approached Clara. Miss Clara, we've been trying to reach you. Another said, we're ready to finalize the ambassadorial deal. Another, your AI systems transformed our company. The room shifted. Fast. Very fast. Jude's face lost color. Vanessa's confidence cracked. Clara wasn't a guest. She was the most important person in the room. The woman they came to mock became the center of admiration. In one moment, everything Jude thought he had lost value. Jude tried to approach her. Clara, I didn't know. She looked at him. Calm, unbothered. You didn't try to know. Vanessa stood frozen. For the first time, she felt threatened. Because Clara wasn't competing. She had already won. And then Clara said something that shattered them both. Success is the loudest revenge, but her words were louder. Clara smiled gently. I was never below your level. You were just blind to my value. Silence. Heavy, final. She turned, walked away. Not angry, not bitter. Just elevated. Jude stood there realizing. He didn't lose Clara because she was nothing. He lost her because she was everything he couldn't recognize. Sometimes rejection is not the end. It's divine direction. If you were Clara, what would you do? Comment below.
Thanks so much for your time. Hope it was really worth it. If you really enjoyed this story, comment part 2, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the conclusion.